Today, we have something that will elevate your kitchen from just ordinary to extraordinary. We're diving deep into the world of microwave ovens. We use them almost daily, but have you ever really thought about what separates a great microwave from a box that heats your leftovers? Stick around because, by the end of this video, you won't just want a new microwave, you'll feel like you need one. Starting our list is the Toshiba EM131A5C-SS. This is a 700-watt microwave with a sleek black stainless steel design. Now, what sets this one apart? First off, it's compact. With a 0.7 cubic feet capacity, it's ideal for smaller kitchens or college dorm rooms. The sensor cook function is a game changer. It auto-adjusts cooking time, so you don't have to play the guessing game. Just hit the button and let it work its magic. Another perk is its easy-to-clean interior. Nobody likes scrubby microwaves. It's also child-friendly, thanks to its safety lock, a must-have for families with little explorers. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Its strong suits are its affordability and feature set, but note that the buttons can be tricky for some people to press. Regarding reviews, Amazon rated it 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 12,000 reviews, and Walmart rated it even higher at 4.7. So, if you're seeking a compact, user-friendly microwave that won't break the bank, the Toshiba EM131A5C-SS is a solid option. Alright, let's move on to the next microwave on our list, and here we have our next contender, the Hamilton Beach 0.7 cubic feet Countertop Microwave Oven. At first glance, it's another compact microwave, perfect for small apartments or even your dorm room. Its compact size is balanced on features though. You've got 10 power levels and 3 quick cook buttons to work with. And let's pay attention to the kitchen timer. Set it and carry on with your other kitchen tasks. Let's break down the pros and cons of this Hamilton Beach microwave. Its pros are undeniable. It's budget-friendly and simple to use. On the flip side, given its smaller interior, there are better picks for big meals. So, if you are in the market for a microwave that's light on your pocket yet heavy on features, this Hamilton Beach model is a strong candidate. With that said, let's move on to the next microwave in our top 5 list. Third on our list is the Panasonic NN-SN65KB, a compact microwave that packs a punch. One key feature that movie lovers will appreciate is the popcorn button. It cooks your popcorn to perfection, no guesswork needed. It has 700 watts of power, 6 power levels, and the usual 0.7 cubic feet capacity. This makes it an excellent pick for tight spaces like dorm rooms. And for parents, it comes with a child safety lock, adding that extra layer of peace of mind. Let's get into the pros and cons. So, while it's a versatile microwave with features like the popcorn button and easy cleaning, be aware of its limitations. The interior may be too small for some, and the buttons could be stiff. Still, its Amazon ratings are strong. So, if you're focused on budget and small spaces but still want features, this Panasonic model is worth considering. Let's move on to see what else we've got in our top 5 list of microwaves for 2023. Next, we have a microwave in the mid-size category, the Black & Decker 1.1 cubic feet microwave oven. It boasts 1,000 watts of power, 10 power levels, and 5 pre-programmed settings, perfect for a small to medium household. It's versatile and quick, which means it will take you quickly for your meals. It has a kitchen timer and child safety lock for added convenience. Let's dive into the pros and cons. While this microwave does it all and is easy to use, remember that the interior might be smaller than you'd expect. Also, the buttons could be stiff. So, if you're looking for a microwave that's neither too small nor too large and packs a good range of features, this Black & Decker model could be your match. Alright, folks, let's keep the energy up as we move on to the next microwave in our top 5 list for 2023. And last but definitely not least, we have the LG NeoChef Smart Inverter Microwave Oven. This microwave is for tech enthusiasts who want to maintain features and performance. With an impressive 1,200 watts of power, 10 power levels, and a whopping 11 pre-programmed settings, this microwave gives you options. One standout feature is its smart inverter technology, which provides more precise cooking and ensures even heating, saving you from the dreaded cold spots in reheated food. Let's weigh the pros and cons. While the LG NeoChef does come at a premium price, it's because you're getting premium features. If your budget allows, it's a strong contender for your kitchen. The ratings speak for themselves. With high reviews on both Amazon and Walmart, this microwave has the stamp of customer approval. Alright, we've been through the ins and outs of 5 fantastic microwaves today, but I get it, now comes the hard part, making a decision. If you're on a budget, the Amazon Basics microwave is a go-to. It's simple but efficient, and Alexa integration is a nice touch. For small spaces like dorm rooms or apartments, both the Hamilton Beach 0.7 cubic feet microwave and the Panasonic Compact with a popcorn button could be your best friends. If you're a family that needs something versatile but not over the top, the Black & Decker 1.1 cubic feet microwave offers just the right balance of features and size. For those who demand nothing but the best and are willing to pay more, the LG NeoChef Smart Inverter Microwave is a high-tech wonder, especially with its smart inverter technology. Remember, your microwave isn't just a food heater, it's a kitchen tool that should make your life easier and your cooking better. Before you go, let me give you a pro tip. Think about what you cook the most and how you will use your microwave. That should help guide your decision. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to the best microwave ovens. Whether you're reheating, defrosting, or full on cooking, there's a microwave in this list that's just right for you. Thanks for watching. Links to all the microwaves we discussed are in the description below. But before you go, we'd love to hear from you. If there's a product you're curious about and would like us to review, please drop a comment below. Also, if you've had experience with these microwaves or have tips to share, your insights could help the community. So, don't hesitate to share your thoughts. Your input is valuable to us and others looking to make an informed decision. Remember to like this video if it helps you and subscribe for more quality content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!